I am Kai the Rancher or something like that. You might know me from my rants, and this is my first reaction video. Woohoo! Yay! Anyway, we're gonna be watching Obscure Felix the cat broadcast by Royal Joe. Sorry if I misspelled the name, but anyway, we're gonna be watching this. I really don't watch Felix the cat, but let's start watching this. Hold on. Oh God, I keep on my feet. So it's a hijack. I love hijacks. I love it. Signal glitches, however, it will progressively get worse. The material now will cover is the first evidence that something out there was actually broadcasted through the direction. Yeah, direction is a virus.
A week's worth of groceries and some bus-wielding mook decides to mock me. We can't have sloppy joes next week. At least our TV wasn't
Sloppy Joe!
The mischief rate has risen sharply in the wake of this looting frenzy.
You know, we've run into a lot of shady characters in our time, from Martians to mad professors, and we've defeated them all. And I think it's...
So you defeated them all, Felix? What's bad happening? Like, nothing weird and all the way just like, that. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. Oh, hey, Felix, how you doing? You okay? Oh, please, can you get away from me, mister? I don't like that thing up close and shit. What the heck? Who's that guy? It's a big cat. Written by Mark Evanier Douglas. There's Oswald. Oh, it's a clone. It's like.
Don Skelly is your
Four Eyes.
supervisor.
It's crazy. I would never think that.
Together. Be a shame if he was dragged into all this.
Damn.
I'm already on probation. You wouldn't do that, would you? You wouldn't do that, would you?
Hey, dying, sweetie, before you find that magic wand magically stuck up your nose.
My wand? My nose? I'll bet you don't even know Don Skelly. I'm getting to the bottom of this. I'll be back.
Yeah, we'll leave the light on for you. Hey, that was a good one. Thanks.
You know, best friend be like,
he looks like a sap. You can say that again.
Okay,
What's working number
so
6
cute
on?
when he's
Number
sleeping.
6. What's that? That's a number 5 without the blue.
Number 5.
Yeah.
Oh, so he's cloning him. A brand new day.
Where's my coffee?
What'd you get? What the heck are you? I'm you. No. Oh, yes. I'm your clone. But how? A clone fairy. A clone fairy.
He's dead. Oh, he's dead. I found that shit. Cool, fairy.
And cats who need help with their daily trials. This is a cat, right? That's a mask. It's Peking Duck, isn't it? All right, you evil crackpot. Time for the trick-or-treating. Let's go.
Oh. Damn. Oh, did you do that, man? What did you do that, Felix? Ew. Why you... Is the thing moving? Is it moving? Oh. He's getting bodied. Damn. Like, he's going killer mode. He's going sicko mode. I think he's literally begging you to stop, Felix. I guess he did it. broadcasting, no intrusion have been detected during this broadcast. Yay! Woohoo! Yay! 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 Woohoo! Yay! I don't care. Yeah. 10 minutes. Damn. Again. Sorry if I keep moving my camera. It's the house of Felix. He's eating, isn't he? I bet he's eating him. I bet he's eating him. I bet he's eating him. I knew it. I knew it. I knew you were gonna eat him. I knew it. Happy. Yes. I knew he was gonna eat him anyway. Who never knew he was gonna eat him.
Now you can be part of the world race.
Rocket.
Cards, and if you buy all 35
Good
cards,
boy, I can want this.
Race Ultimate Track Set free. Plus, you can have my milk.
Free?
Plus, batteries and included. See package for details.
This is the day was still the Toys R Us is still here. Oh, no, oh my. Anyway, see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.